but recording has not. So today I shall deal with a particular writing skill under classifieds. Do you know classifieds?
No, sir.
As an option for your first question, either notice or invitation or classifieds or such writing skills come under the first question of your writing skill, and under advanced writing skill, that is B1 first question. As you know, particularly in writing skill, every question is given with an option, isn't it? Every question is asked with an option, or do it, or either this or this. So including the main question or, we all are supposed to, you all are supposed to study at least 5 to 6 types of writing skills. 5 to 6 for one question, B1. So notice is there, invitation is there, formal invitation or informal invitation, the reply of the formal invitation, and the next one is classified. Classified, you know, in the newspaper, there is a particular page where such advertisements are there. That is called the classified columns. Am I audible to you, children? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So even if you just go through the newspaper and in a particular second or the third page, you find a particular page having classifieds and advertisements are there. Advertisement, different kinds of advertisements, like for the post of teacher, for marketing manager, for MBA graduate, sales personnel, isn't it? Different matrimonial is also there, for air hostess and several other various kinds of advertisements are there under the classified column of the newspaper. And one of them is too late services. Too late. So first of all, I would like to give you the specimen question. Then you will be able to understand. Write down a question first. Write down a question first. I'm writing. You can note it down. You want to rent out your flat at Patna draft an advertisement to be published under the classified of a newspaper. Did you note it down? Not also. You want to rent out and invent all relevant details. First of all, note down the question. You want to rent out your flat at Patna, draft an advertisement to be published under the classified column of a newspaper. Invent all relevant details. So first of all, note down the question. Then I shall come to the final draft. Did you write? You finish writing and tell me.
हो गया सर.
Okay, very good. So once again, well, you want to rent out your flat at Patna, draft an advertisement to be published under the classified columns of a newspaper. Invent all relevant details. As you know, a standing instruction for almost all the writing skills at +2 level. This standing, invent all relevant details. What do you mean by that? Whether you are writing a notice, whether you are writing a letter to editor or other writing skills invitation, standing information, invent all relevant details means you are supposed to supply the suitable inputs required for that particular kind of writing. Understand? You have to supply, you have to invent, find out date, time, and specifications related to and required for that particular writing skill. Is it clear? So before having a final draft, we can work out what are the inputs required for this particular writing skill, isn't it? Be very, very careful and listen to it. What are these? So should I delete it, rub it out?
Yes sir.
So what are the inputs? Children, think of the suitable inputs to be supplied for drafting this particular writing skill. What is the first thing? We are going to draft an advertisement for a flat. So all the features of the flat, we are supposed to furnish all the relevant features for the flat. So what are the features? First of all, we decide whether it is 2 BHK or 3 BHK. What is it? 3 BHK. It's a very popular abbreviation. Bedroom, hall, kitchen, BHK. That's a very common abbreviation for flat, 3 BHK. What is the second? Think of the probable, okay? Think of the probable features which can be related to the flat, 3 BHK. What more? 3 balconies. More. What? Bedrooms already written 3 BHK. And what? Spacious. Spacious. Facing east. What more? In a good society. What more? In a good society. And What more? From where means the place where the flat is located, all the important places are easily approachable. First of all, we have to jot down the important features related to the flat, and the same would be furnished while having a final draft. So this is the technique. If you are going to draft an advertisement or to-let, you have to enlist the features. All the important places like schools, colleges, market or shopping malls, hospitals, railway station, airport, or airport, playground, etc. are easily approachable. So these are the specifications. Note it down first, then I shall proceed further. First of all, note it down. Note down fast. And if you are one more information, you may add that well furnished means all the amenities like beds or ACs or TV or fridge, air cleaner, water purifier, geyser, all such things are already there. It comes under well furnished. You may add it. But first of all, well furnished, you may add. You may add point number 3, spacious / well furnished. Did you write? If you have any problem, you can ask. If you have any problem in writing, you just ask. Yes.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now, what we have to do, we have to arrange all these features properly, and that becomes your final draft. Very easy. So I'll rub it out. We can start like this. First of all, we can title to-let. Of course, it will be under the box, inside the box. So we'll put the box later on. First of all, draft the content. So a 3 BHK BHK flat well furnished what are the more features? You just go on just adding those features, or otherwise you can write this like this also. A well furnished 3 BHK flat with 3 balconies, three bathrooms, What are the more features you have noted down? Just tell me. I have rubbed it out.
Facing east.
Facing east.
In a good society.
Very spacious. In a very good society. From where important places like what? Like I've just given you the input.
Schools, colleges.
Schools, colleges,
Market.
or malls,
Hospitals.
Hospitals. Next,
Railway station.
railway station, airport,
Playground, etc.
playgrounds, etc. are easily approachable. Is available on rent. Is available on rent. See, the entire advertisement has been written in one sentence. Look at this. And the content is nothing but the specifications of the flat. All the features. A well-furnished 3 BHK flat with 3 balconies, 3 bathrooms, facing east, very spacious, in a very good society, from where important places like schools, colleges, market, malls, hospitals, railway station, airport, playground, etc. are easily approachable. And now here is, this verb has been used for this flat. Subject is here, a well-furnished 3 BHK flat. And from here starts the specification. And after the end of a specification, means the features related to the flat, verb is here. Is here, flat is flat with these specifications is available on rent. Are you getting? Hello. What I have done?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very,
sir.
very simple. Very simple. You know how to arrange the specifications and nothing else. A well-furnished 3 BHK flat, and thereafter up to here, we wrote only the features related to the flat, and then verb is available on rent. And how to close it? Children, how to close it? Price, rent negotiable. While sale or purchase, or while drafting the answer for sale and purchase or rent out, a common closing, that is price negotiable, and if it is rent negotiable, right? Rent space, given space. Here there is no space, you can write in your notebook. So after sparing some space, write centrally located, rent negotiable. This should be centrally located, rent, for giving a space, so that the examiner could look at it. It should become the focal point, rent negotiable. And here you write, after sparing some space, again you write contact number and email, so that the person, the needy one, can contact you. So you write the contact number and email. So what do you mean by negotiable? Children, here we close the advertisement with centrally located, that is rent negotiable. What do you mean by negotiable? Very common expression. Anybody? Anybody
सर
can tell
मोल
me?
भाव करना.
What?
मोल भाव करना.
Yes, higgling and bargaining means a good deal of bargaining. Means after bargaining, whatever you told in Hindi, that is the same bargaining. Means it may be adjusted by increasing or decreasing. By increasing, the person who is going to hire would like to pay less, and the person who is going to rent out will like to get more. So between more and less, a mean point will be there. Means there would be a point in this process where the lesser and the lessee, means the person who is going to rent out and the person who is going to hire, both agreed on a particular point. For example, the rent was announced 15,000 per month, and the hirer starts with 10,000. What happened? The owner will come down to 12, and the hirer will also go up more than 10,000, 12. So ultimately 12,000 rent was fixed. So that is negotiation. The process of bargaining is called negotiable. Understand? So, and it must be written, rent negotiable. Means whatever rent was announced in the advertisement, that would not be a final one. The moment it is written that negotiable, means there is a possibility of coming down. There is a possibility of adjustment. Understand? So once again, it's very easy to do it. What? First of all, you write to let, and before having the final draft, what is the process you have to adopt? That is, make in the draft, make a list of all the features, probable features, which can be associated with the flat. Or suppose you have to sell. In the next class, I will tell you the same process will help you in drafting the other question. Like suppose you have to sell your old car, and draft an advertisement to be published under the classified column of a newspaper. So what should be the specification? Name of the car, color of the car, model of the car, distance covered, insurance coverage, about the accessories recently renewed. These are the specifications. While making a final draft, you need to furnish all the details. Are you getting my point, children? It's a very, very easy, very simple. So here we are drafting for too late. So we are supposed to, suppose you have to draft an advertisement for a shopping space. In a corporate building, you have a office space or a shopping space, and you have to draft an advertisement. So whatever you are going to draft, think of the probable specifications. Think of the probable features which are related to that particular thing you are going to write for. And then arrange all those specifications, the features in a proper way, as I have done. So after the question, what did I do? I wrote point-wise all the specifications, and thereafter I arranged them in a proper way. That is, so a well-furnished 3 BHK flat with 3 bedroom balconies, 3 bathrooms, facing east, very spacious, in a very good society, from where important places like schools, colleges, market, malls, hospitals, railway station, airport, playground, etc. are easily approachable. What are these things? These are nothing but the good features of the flat. And after writing the features, we wrote down each. Subject is here, a well-furnished 3 BHK flat. And from here, it starts the specification and it ends here. And then the verb is for the subject is available on rent. Okay. So thereafter, spare some space and write centrally located what? Rent negotiable. And again, we spare some space and write contact number and email. So this is how the advertisement for to let is drafted. So note down fast. If you face, tell me. If you have any difficulty in writing down, a well-furnished 3 BHK flat with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms facing east, very spacious, comma, in a very good society, from where important places like schools, colleges, market, malls, hospitals, railway station, airport, playground, etc. are easily approachable, is available on rent negotiable, contact number, email. Have you done it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any difficulty in drafting such questions? Children, CBSE writing, writing skills for CBSE, very, very easy. If you concentrate only a little bit, you'll be able to fetch good marks. Very easy. There is nothing, just like a cakewalk. What do you have to do? Even a layman can write this. I have done nothing but arrange all the features associated with the plan and any appreciable rent available on rent negotiable. I hope every student can write this and secure at least 3 marks. Okay, 4 marks, 4, 6, 10, 10, altogether 30 marks. So 4 marks will be very is very much secured if you follow this pattern. I hope you have understood it. Okay, so tomorrow I shall take up another a specified advertisement, 4 or 5 types of writing skills relating to the classified column. So tomorrow I shall take up sale and purchase. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow
Yes, sir.
I shall take up sale and purchase. So this much today. Thank you.